Here I come.
Oh,
here I come.
It's time to play the game. It's time to play the game!
The question is, are you ready? Shut up, bitch! Shut up, bitch! How many minutes was that?
Saints, we in the WWF think that you, the audience, are quite frankly tired of having your intelligence insulted. We also think that you're tired of the same old simplistic theory of good guys versus bad guys. Surely the era of the superhero urge you to say your prayers and take your vitamins is definitely passé.